Okay guys, I'm at IKEA. I literally seen somebody, check it out. I didn't see him drop it, but they dropped this, so it looks like it's got a guap in it too. Look, check it out. I'm gonna take it up here to the front to him and see. Might have a couple dollars in it. There's the van. Bring you guys along for this one. See how this one goes. See what this one do. I swear if my van rolls down the hill, you guys, why I will be, man. Somebody's gonna appreciate this though. I hope somebody will bless me the same way when this happens to me. Could you show me where customer service is? Perhaps somebody dropped this outside and I know they would appreciate it.
Oh yeah, I can take it for you.
Could you?
Yeah.
You take it for me? It was just dropped right out front here by
Was it right outside the entrance?
by the loading zone.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You bet.